Happy Sunday, everybody. I am testing out my new ring light and testing out doing a little tutorial example for you guys. A lot of ladies have been asking me about eyebrows. So I wanted to show you a technique I use for my eyebrows, like a quickie. Not like if you're going out at night or anything, but like a daytime quickie for eyebrows. So I have all my base done already. So I just need to add in the eyebrow technique. So what I do is, for a daytime situation, is I take a brown, like a light brown pencil, and I this is so weird. Okay, I just lightly, like, I don't try to fill in every hole or anything because you don't want to look like a plastic doll or a mannequin. But I just lightly like brush the pencil over the eyebrows, like so. Very lightly, very lightly. And just lightly cover any missing hair spots. And then what I do is I take the other side of the pencil, which is a brush, and hi Michelle, I'm gonna wave at you. And then what I do is I take the brush side and I literally like brush my eyebrow hairs up and over, like so. Very gently. You already see the difference between the two eyebrows. Look at this. So crazy, right? So you lightly brush the eyebrow hairs over like that. You see how it already has like a cleaner finish? And then to get them to stay in place, all I do is they have these like two-sided gel things. One side is for primer for your mascara, which is amazing, and the other side is for your eyebrows. So I take the eyebrow side and literally just brush a little of that eyebrow gel on the eyebrow, and this helps it stay in place all day, so then you look like you have great eyebrows all day long. And you see the difference? Just like those little touches of things make all the difference, and then you feel like all beautiful and glam for your day. So I hope you love this little tip for your eyebrows, and have a happy Sunday. I'm about to take my daughter to go see Toy Story 4, mommy-daughter date, and I will talk to you guys soon.